Have you ever felt the frustration of perfecting your CapCut PC video edit only to find out the sound was out of sync when exporting? Today, I've got you covered and I got the ultimate solution for you. I'm about to unravel the mystery behind this frustrating delay, unveil the solution that will save your editing day, and guide you through the simple steps to export your files flawlessly. Trust me, it's unbelievably easy and you can start right away. Hey there, it's Mario from MSpaceLog. This topic has been a real headache for me, and I'm sure it's been the same for many CapCut users. But before getting into that, let's get some context. When I first started editing videos in CapCut on my PC, I ran into a problem. The video and sound weren't lining up right. It was weird because everything looked fine while I was editing, but when I exported the video, there was a delay between what you saw and what you heard. I tried to figure out what was going on. At first, I thought maybe it was because I was using a wireless microphone. But even when I connected directly to my phone, the problem didn't go away. Then I thought maybe it was because my videos were kind of long, around an hour each, with lots of cuts and takes. But here's the weird part. When I'd edit it on my phone, everything was fine. It was only when I exported from CapCut on my computer that I noticed the delay. So I start thinking it could be one of two things. Maybe I was messing up with the syncing part while editing, or there was a problem with the exporting. Then I tried to make sure that everything was synced up perfectly while editing. I even used CapCut's syncing tool and did it also by hand. But even after all of that, the problem still happened when I exported the video. It was really frustrating. So I had to do some digging to figure it out what was going on. Why does this happen? Well, there isn't just one simple reason. It could be a combination of things. First off, your PC might not meet the minimum requirements that CapCut needs to work smoothly. Also, if your video has a lot of effects, transitions, animations, or even other videos layered on top of the main one, it can also mess with the export quality. Even things like export resolution and frame rate can also play a part in causing this issue. It is kind of frustrating to deal with, especially since people have been complaining about it since 2021. I mean, you would think that they have fixed it by now, right? But don't worry, I found a solution that is actually pretty simple, even though it's a bit annoying that we still have to deal with this problem. So, what is the solution to the problem? It is actually pretty straightforward. You just need to move the sound up front. Sounds easy, right? And it is, but here's the thing, how much do you need to move it? Well, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to that question. From what I've gathered, experts suggest moving the sound forward by around 8 to 10 frames. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly does that mean? Think of frames as tiny snapshots of your video. By moving the sound forward 8 to 10 frames, you're essentially nudging it a tiny bit ahead in time, so it lines up better with the visuals. It is a simple adjustment, but it can make a world of a difference in fixing that annoying lag. Alright, let's head over to CapCut PC so you can watch it step by step how to solve it. Okay, this is a copy from a project from a video that I've uploaded a few days ago. Someone in the comments said the sound was out of sync, and that is actually true. And the problem is that trimmed out version came out with the sound out of sync. At the beginning, it looks like it is synced, but it is actually not. And I only realized that after I uploaded it to YouTube, so let's hear it how it sounds. Did you know that not every headphone or microphone jack that connects to a USB-C adapter will work seamlessly with your smartphone? Today's video, it's all about figuring this out. We'll dive into why these adapters are essential, decode the mystery behind the DAC chips, and find out which ones stand out. Stick around. Okay, as you've heard, everything is messed up. The sync is not there, and I only realized it after a few seconds of playing the video, even though here in the editor it doesn't look so out of sync. Let's hear it.
Did you know that not every headphone or microphone jack that connects to a USB-C adapter will work seamlessly with your smartphone? Today's video, it's all about figuring this.
Up here, you start noticing it is out of sync, although at the beginning it doesn't look quite noticeable. So what I've been experiencing is that when we export it, depending on many factors, if it's still putting the proxy, if you have too many animations, transcoding the media, your personal computer specs, everything can affect the final result. So sometimes the lag doesn't start really at the beginning, but more upfront. So that was what I started to notice. We can do some approaches here, but the thing is, I only found one that really works, because if you sync the video and the sound, and what it's going to do, it's not quite noticeable, but if we zoom in, okay, you already start to see that is basically put my video up front and trimmed, and so my voice can start it right here. Let's look how it sounds.
Did you know that not every headphone or microphone jack that connects to a USB-C adapter will work seamlessly with your smartphone? Today's video, it's all about figuring this out. We'll dive into why
as you are watching, it looks even more out of sync. We can try to export it to see how it goes. Okay, the exported is done, so let's come here to the folder. Here it is. Let's hear it how it sounds.
Did you know that not every headphone or microphone jack that connects to a USB-C adapter will work seamlessly with your smartphone?
Okay, as you heard, it is even more out of sync right from the start. In the editor, it doesn't look so out of sync at the beginning. We can check it out again.
Did you know that not every...
As you're watching right here, it looks more or less synced, but the exported version basically makes the sound coming much more faster than the actual image. So what is the basic approach we can do to fix this? It's actually pretty simple. We just basically have to move the sound forward about 10 frames. And how we can do that? Basically, you have to zoom in by pressing the Control key or command if you're using a Mac, and the mouse wheel up front, so you can zoom in. And as you can start to see, it starts to appearing the frames. Basically 1 frame, 2 frames, 3 frames, 4 frames, etc. And what you're going to do is basically to drag the sound up to start. The sweet spot is between right here, between the 8th frame and 10th. So let's try to export it this time and see how it goes. Actually, before exporting, let me just show you, because it really looks out of sync in the editor. So let's first check it how it looks.
Did you know that not every headphone or microphone jack that connects to a USB-C adapter will work seamlessly with...
Okay, as you hear, looks like the video is coming first before the sound. But let's try to export it and see how it goes. Okay, it exported. Let's open the folder. Here it is, the synced test number 1. Let's see how it went.
Did you know that not every headphone or microphone jack that connects to a USB-C adapter will work seamlessly with your smartphone. Today's video, it's all about figuring this out. We'll dive into why these adapters are essential, decode the mystery behind the DAC chips, and find out which ones stand out. Stick around.
Okay, as you heard, everything is well synced. It's quite surprising because up here we honestly see the lag because we see that the image comes first before the sound. But when we exporting, basically what CapCut is doing is to pick the sound and move it backwards around 8 to 10 frames. And that's why we are getting the sound out of sync. We honestly don't know what exactly is making CapCut doing this, but yeah, this problem can be easily fixed just moving the sound around 10 frames up front. And there you have it, an easy yet powerful solution to the sound lag problem in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by giving it a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button for more useful tips and tricks. Let's hope this issue gets addressed in the future. But in the meantime, if you're also struggling to find a USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter that works seamlessly with your smartphone and microphone setup, I've got you covered. Check out this video for all the solutions you need. And that's a wrap for today's video. We've tackled the sound lag issue in CapCut PC and fixed it with a quick export solution. Remember, don't let technical problems slow down your creativity. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them in the comments below. My name is Mario, this is MSpaceLog, and as always, keep on exploring, keep on creating. See you in my next one.